Good morning, students. Our today's topic is Chapter 8 Wind, Storm, and Cyclones. Here, the question number first of the exercise, fill the missing word in the blank space in the following statement. Here, the first statement is wind is blank air. So, answer is wind is moving air. Winds are generated due to blank heating on the earth. So, answer is uneven. Near the Earth's surface, blank air rise up, whereas blank air comes down. Warm air rise up and cold air comes down. Fourth one is air moves from a region of blank pressure to a region blank pressure. So answer is high and low. Question number second, suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. So answer is the following are two methods to find out the direction of wind. So first method is while flying a kite, air exerts pressure on the kite due to which the kite flies. The direction in which the kite flies is the direction of the blowing of wind. Second one is while riding a bicycle, the direction in which it is difficult to ride is opposite to the direction of the blowing wind. Therefore, while flying a kite or riding a bicycle, the wind direction at a given place can be determined. Question number third, state two experience that made you think that air exert pressure. So answer is we have experienced that when we blow a balloon, the balloon becomes tight. If we try to fill more air, then the balloon will burst after an extent. This happens because air exerts pressure. We have also experienced that movement of frings of windows and doors of our houses when wind blow in a high speed. This also happens because air exerts pressure. Question number fourth, you want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having window but no ventilation? Explain your answer. A house having window but no ventilations should not be bought. This is because warm air is lighter than the cold air and therefore it is goes up. This warm air can go outside the house mostly through ventilation. If there are no ventilation, then the warm air cannot go outside easily. Question number fifth. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. So answer is air exerts pressure. Wind blowing in a high speed may break and displace many things. If holes are made in hanging banners or hoardings, then air can pass through these holes, which reduce the air pressure exerted on the banners or hoarding. That is why holes are made in hanging banners or hoardings. Question number 6. How will you help your neighbor in case cyclone approach your village? So your answer is in case of cyclone approaches, the neighbor should be helped in the following ways. First one is by helping in moving to cyclone shelter and other safer place, by asking them to take necessary steps to shift animals, vehicles and household goods to safer place, and by calling the emergency service such as police, fire brigade and medical centers when required. Question number 7. When what planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone? So here first one is facility for cyclone prediction for and forecasting, which can give cyclone warning in advance. quick information and communication linkage so that information can be separate quickly. Third one is construction of cyclone shelter and arrangement for moving people to safer place for safety during cyclone. Question number 8, which of the following places is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? Chennai, Mangaluru, Amritsar and Puri. So answer is Amritsar. And question number 9, which of the statements given below is correct? In winter the winds flow from the land to the ocean. So this is a correct statement. In winter the wind flow from the land to the ocean. This is called a land breeze. In summer winds flow from the land towards the ocean. So this is not correct, because in summer the wind flows from the ocean towards the land. This is a sea breeze. Third one is a cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system by very high speed winds revolving around it. So this is